Hello, and welcome back to English for Beginners. I'm Anna.
And hello from me, Mark. It's good to be here.
It's wonderful to have you back. In our last episode, we talked all about our daily routines.
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock, I have breakfast, I go to work. I remember, it was very useful.
I'm so glad, Mark. You did a great job. Today, we are going to do something different. We are going to go shopping. We will learn how to buy food at a market.
Shopping. This is important. For food, yes. Okay, I am ready.
Great! So, imagine we are at a food market. There are many things to see. Let's learn the names of some common foods. First, some fruit. For example, apples.
Apples. 1 apple, 2 apples.
That's right, because we can count them. The same for bananas.
Bananas. I like bananas.
Me too. Now for some vegetables. For example, carrots.
Carrots. 1 carrot, 4 carrots.
Perfect. And tomatoes.
Tomatoes. I like tomatoes in a salad.
Excellent. Now, some foods are different. We don't usually count them. We call them uncountable. For example, bread. We don't say 1 bread, 2 breads. We say some bread.
Some bread. Okay.
It's the same for rice
Some rice.
and cheese.
Some cheese. Yes, this is different from apples. I understand.
Exactly. And drinks are often like this too. For example, water. We say some water or a bottle of water.
A bottle of water. Okay, this is good vocabulary. Apples, bananas, carrots, tomatoes, bread, rice, cheese, and water.
Okay, now that we know some food words, how do we ask for them? It's important to be polite. A very good phrase is, I would like.
I would like.
Often, we make it shorter and say, I'd like.
I'd like. It's more easy.
It is. So you can say, I'd like some apples, please. Adding please at the end is very polite.
I'd like some apples, please. Okay.
Another good way to ask is, can I have some? For example, can I have some bread, please?
Can I have some bread, please? 2 ways to ask. I'd like and can I have?
Exactly. Let's practice. Imagine you are the customer. What would you say if you want bananas?
Hello, I'd like some bananas, please.
Perfect! And what if you want some cheese? Use the other phrase.
Hello, can I have some cheese, please?
Wonderful, Mark. You sound very polite. That's how you start a conversation in a shop. You've politely asked for your food. Now, the shopkeeper might ask you how much or how many you want.
How much? How many?
Yes, we use how many for the things we can count, like apples. The shopkeeper will ask, how many apples would you like?
How many apples would you like?
And you can answer with a number. 4 apples, please. Or 6, please.
4 apples, please. Okay. How many carrots would you like? 3 carrots, please.
Excellent. Now, for the uncountable things, like cheese or rice, we use how much. The shopkeeper will ask, how much cheese would you like?
How much cheese would you like? The answer is not a number?
Right. The answer can be a little, please, or a lot, please. Or you can say some cheese, please.
Okay, a little cheese, please. That's easy.
Let's practice. I am the shopkeeper. Hello, can I help you?
Hello, I'd like some carrots, please.
Okay, how many carrots would you like?
6 carrots, please.
Anything else?
Yes. Can I have some rice, please?
Sure. How much rice would you like?
A little, please.
See? A perfect conversation.
So, you have your food. Now you need to know the price and pay for it. The most important question is, how much is it?
How much is it?
Or if there are many things, how much is it all together?
How much is it altogether? Okay.
The shopkeeper will tell you the price. For example, it's $5, or that's 10 euros, please.
$5, 10 euros. Okay.
When you give the money, you can say, here you are.
Here you are.
And the shopkeeper will take the money and say thank you. They will give you your change if you give them too much money.
Change. Yes, the money back.
That's right. So let's practice just that part. You asked for apples. I am the shopkeeper. Okay, 6 apples. That's $3, please.
How much is it?
It's $3.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you.
This is a full shopping trick.
It is. And now we'll put everything together in one final role play. This time, I am the shopkeeper at my market stall, and you are the customer. You need to buy 3 things: some bananas, a bottle of water, and some bread. Are you ready?
Yes, I am the customer. I am ready.
Okay. Hello there. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes. Can I have some bananas, please?
Of course. How many bananas would you like?
4 bananas, please.
Okay, 4 bananas. Anything else for you today?
Yes, I'd like a bottle of water, please, and some bread.
No problem. Here is a bottle of water and some nice fresh bread. Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything. How much is it altogether?
Let's see. The bananas, the water, and the bread. That's 6 euros, please.
6 euros. Okay, here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Mark, that was absolutely brilliant. You were a perfect customer. You were polite, you asked the right questions, and you understood everything.
Thank you, Anna. This role play is very good for practice. I feel more ready to go shopping now.
That's the goal. So, a very quick review of our key phrases for shopping. To ask for something politely, we say,
I'd like, or can I have? Please.
don't forget please. To ask about quantity, we use
How many for apples and how much for cheese?
excellent. And to ask for the price?
How much is it?
Perfect. To all our listeners, try to look at food in your kitchen and name them in English. Then, practice asking for them using our phrases.
Yes, I will practice with my food at home. Can I have some cheese, please?
That's the spirit! Well, that is all our time for episode 4. Thank you so much for your hard work today, Mark.
Thank you, Anna. I had fun. See you next time.
See you next time. And thank you, our wonderful listeners, for joining us on English for Beginners. Join us for episode 5 when we will learn to talk about the weather. Until then, happy shopping. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Goodbye, everyone.